You probably received an email about somebody who can't log in. You can't figure out how to get them back to the login page so they can access their program. What you'll do is come over to website, and then here under website pages, there is the library, and that's where we're going to be sending them. So you come over to the three dots, copy URL, and that's what you'll give them. You'll just send them this URL and say, here's the link to log in. If you forgot your password, never received it, never set it up, whatever, go to this link and click forgot password. Then they can reset it up or change their password that way. What'll happen is that if they're already logged in, they'll be right at the library page where all the programs you have that they purchased from you are located. And if they're not already logged in, it'll actually default over to this page. And you can preview them by just clicking here, preview. And this is what the login page looks like. Of course, your logo and everything will be here. It's just my test site. And then the library page is where all the programs you have created are located. So all your programs will be here, but because they may only own one of these programs, only this program that they own will be located here. But you being logged in as admin, you'll see all your programs here. So no need to be alarmed. They'll only see the programs that they have access to that they purchased from you. And then to avoid maybe that problem in the future, there's something you can do over here in the offer area where your offers are located. Let's say this one. If you roll down, what's happening post-purchase is important. So post-purchase, if you have it set to default email, that means Kajabi will send out an email that says, hey, here's your login information. Here's the link to log in. And if you want to see what that email looks like, you can come over here in Kajabi to, at the bottom under settings, email templates. And then this is where Kajabi's created a whole bunch of default emails, but you won't be using 90% of these. So the one we're looking for is offer purchase confirmation. And unfortunately, these are not in alphabetical order, but it's approximately a couple rows down. And here it is, offer purchase confirmation. So when I click there, it'll kind of look like this, and you can preview it. When I preview it, unfortunately, the pop-up doesn't work when I'm showing you like this. But just click preview in browser. You can see what it looks like. And I wouldn't change anything in the brackets here. You might want to change, congratulations to hello, whatever you want to say there. And maybe you want a different closing salutation. It's cool, but I wouldn't change anything in the middle. If, for example, you want to change your email in here or you want to change the name of your site, this is not the place to do that. That is actually located under settings. It would be under site details, where you would change the name of your website and your support email. So that's where that email is located. If instead you, for some reason, are using custom email, I personally would never use that. And the reason for that is that when you create an email here, there are no analytics with it. You don't know who received it, if they open it, they clicked it, nothing. So I actually never use that right there. I only use default email to have Kajabi send out that login link. And then for the actual welcome email that you probably created under custom, you can actually do that right here, which is located under marketing email campaigns. That's a whole other thing, but you'll want to create it over there and then connect it where it will show up down here. So that's the reason a lot of people may be having trouble logging in, is because they're not receiving this default email. So hope that helps.